Welcome back. Now it's time for some health headlines on Medwatch today. New guidelines from the American Heart Association are lowering the threshold for high blood pressure in an effort to help people take steps to control their blood pressure earlier. The change labels 30 million more Americans as hypertensive. High blood pressure, which for decades has been a top reading of at least 140 and a bottom one of 90, now drops to 130 over 80. The change means an additional 14% of U.S. adults have the problem. Poor diets, lack of exercise, and other bad habits cause 90% of high blood pressure. Currently, research shows only half of Americans with high blood pressure have it under control. And learning more about the human mind has researchers unlocking some real mysteries by taking a closer look at the brains of birds. Neuroscientists are looking at the striking similarities between the way baby birds learn their mating calls and the way human babies learn their first words. Using new technology, the study is monitoring brain activity with light, as researchers are hoping to unlock links in language to better understand autism. Neurologists are hoping the research could lead to future treatments and intervention for children diagnosed with autism. And a warning for parents: those popular fidget spinners that your kids love may contain high levels of lead. The new findings come from the U.S. public interest research groups, which tested 12 fidget spinners sold at Target stores across the nation. 2 came back with high levels of lead: the Fidget Wild Premium Spinner Brass and Metal models. The study found that the toys had lead levels 330 times the U.S. Consumer Product Safety Commission standards for children's toys. Since the findings, Target announced that it has pulled the fidget spinners from their shelves. It's the employees at community medical centers that set it apart, staff members that go the extra mile and put passion into their work, which is why we honor a healthcare hero every week. This week, we meet Suki Baines, a clinical lab specialist who works at Clovis Community Medical Center's laboratory. Suki is a blood bank specialist. She can be found testing blood and giving clinical results to doctors that can be life-saving for a patient. She has a PhD in transfusion medicine, and any testing or chemistry done at the hospital, Suki can step right in and get the job done. Suki is a mother of 2 boys, but often takes extra shifts. She is known for dedication and passion for her work in the lab.
My goal is to provide our patients good results, good on timely manner, so doctors can treat or diagnose them on whatever we are providing them and we are giving them, and then so they can get treated right and treated on time and get better and go home happily. So that's our main goal is when I come here to my lab.
Suki says she enjoys the behind-the-scenes work at the hospital that is critical for a patient to get better. She's worked at Clovis Community Medical Center for 10 years. If you'd like to join the team at community medical centers, check out our Job of the Week. Community currently has full-time and per diem job opportunities for clinical lab scientists. Candidates must have a bachelor's degree in chemical, physical, or biological science or medical technology and have a current state of California clinical laboratory scientist license. For a full list of requirements, just visit the website jobs.communitymedical.org and search Clinical Lab to review open positions and apply. Still ahead on Medwatch today, being headstrong for a good cause. Find out why a head and neck cancer support group is helping people recover from cancers with tough side effects. We learn more up next.
Hi, I'm Dr. Gastelum. Today's health tip is to get your flu shot. Now that winter's upon us, it's a big season for flu, so make sure that your loved ones, your children, and family members all have the flu shot to protect yourselves against respiratory illnesses and things like croup that the flu can cause.